We're recognizing a general frustration among residents and families.
Some residents feel they don't have control over their lives at this moment. And truly, it's not just them, but I don't think they understand that it's all of us as a whole. Because you don't have control of your life. I don't have control of mine right now. We are all working within the guidelines of the state and the government.
If we all had our own private apartments and we did our own cooking and we didn't interact so much in the community, this might not be a big deal. But the fact is, we're very involved with our community. Everything we do affects a lot of people.
Don't tell me not to live, just sit and putter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't tell me not to live, just sit and putter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter.
Everyone needs to understand that the reason why we're putting this pledge in place is for their safety, for them, their neighbors, our employees, and even our families. And they need to understand the bigger scope and the bigger picture of it.
Don't tell me not to live, just sit and putter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade.
They are very concerned about the safety of the community.
The biggest fear in my community, my IL community, is having visitors come in.
My residents do not want any families or anybody in the building right now.
I really like this one. That's the main one right there.
Which one? What does it say?
I pledge to be mindful of where I go, what I do, and the precautions I take to reduce the risk of COVID-19 to myself and others. Absolutely.
I'm gonna live and live now. Get what I want, I know how. One roll for the whole shebang. One throw, that bell will go clang. Eye on the target and wham. One shot, one gunshot, and bam!
My community pledge. I choose to live alongside my neighbors, my friends, and those who work hard to make my community a place I call home.
I understand that I am an influential part of my community and that my decisions and actions can affect others.
When I'm frustrated or angry, I promise to share my concerns and be an active part of the conversation, always reaching for a solution that provides peace and security for my community.
Moving forward, I will strive to be compassionate to myself and others as we collectively navigate now to get through this pandemic.
Honey, think nothing gonna take us down.
Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I've simply got too much, my heart's a